Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Haringkat bat kaperthai barok kawe. Kajela Meghalaya, hene kasngi kalarakhi ya ke International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Hagaba Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare Kajela uba kermenshela ulalong kumukongsan. Haga jingedon langki opisar na ketenat bapher. Habakren haga nikasngi nakalyang uba kermenshela ula ay kuble ya ka office jang u Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities. Yaka State Resource Center on Disability Affairs and Healthy India Chronicle, New Delhi. Kibla penlong yaka nika program bakirpang nakabanta kibriw kibaduna dekhotmen. Kathong jong ka jingrakhi yaka nika sngi kalong ban ay jinghikai bat pensong thu yaki baduna dekhotmen. Bat nakabanta ka jingmentoy haka jing im jongki. Ula ongru baka Rights of Person with Disabilities Act arhajar khanan riyo. Ka ay jing itu kerpang yaki baduna dekhotmen. Ula ongru baka sorkar jela kamang kerpang yaka skim nakabanta jongki. Leng baka tenat social welfare bat kiwe di kitenat jong ka sorkar jela.
This is the X-ray, huh?
Yeah.
Let him go this side.
Secretary to the Government of England, Labour Department. From Cleria, East Genta Hills District. She is pursuing her 5th semester in St. Edmund.
The Healthy India Chronicle, Shri Amitabh Ji.
Let's know handa kichikuslai kilaban kayanga benban ngalashem yu chisuna pelim jonga datang ujisu upon jong
and the drive which are started by the government, they are not reaching to the right persons sitting or staying in the remotest part of the country. And we can understand this problem is because the difficulty of the northeastern state is much larger than the other part of the country. We can understand the problem is even more complex here. So it is the duty of each and everyone that we should create awareness. We should, if we know something is happening in some department, we should share this knowledge to others. Those who need this type of assistance, we should bring such type of schemes into knowledge of these Divyang brothers and sisters. Then and only then this problem can be solved. So distributing these devices, giving some assistive devices is the small solution for that problem. But we have to make them self-reliance. This is the endeavor of the Government of India and the Government of Meghalaya.
The COVID-19 pandemic is partial to none, and its ill effects are seen in our society. However, in the midst of the pandemic, the Social Welfare Department, through the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, have been providing essential commodities, various aid and disability rehabilitation services to our friends with disabilities in all the 11, now 12 districts of the state. The government of Meghalaya is focusing on empowering persons with disabilities for the inclusive, equitable, and sustainable development goals that are envisaged in the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, pledging to leave no one behind. It is critical, therefore, to ensure the full and equitable participation of persons with disabilities in all spheres of society and to create environments which enable such participation.
Opportunity to be in the midst of this prestigious gathering, and also glad to know that Shri Professor Rajiv Kumar and Dr. Niraj Saxena, who have come all the way from Delhi in spite of your busy schedule to be here with us, sparing your valuable time and to grace this very special occasion in your presence, with your presence. Today, Meghalaya, along with the rest of the world, is observing International Day of the Person with Disabilities 2021 with the theme Leadership and Participation of Persons with Disabilities towards an inclusive, accessible, and sustainable post-COVID-19 world. The aim of observing this day each year is to increase the awareness and understanding of disability issues and the benefits to be derived from the integration of people with a disability in every aspect of life. The new legislation, the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, has provision which are also more elaborate for the person of the rights of persons with disabilities as compared to the old act. For technical education, for sponsoring around 200 aids and assistive devices such as crutch, hearing aid, smart canes, smartphone, multi-sensor educational developmental kits, and joystick wheelchair, including Neo Motion motorcycle, which will assist them to reach greater higher. I must thank Shri Amitav Joy Prakash Chaudhary, Editor-in-Chief, Healthy India Chronicle, New Delhi, for taking this initiative to organize this Northeast Disability Summit in Shillong, and for his constant support and dedication to make this program successful. It has always been encouraging to have his presence today, as he has been striving to bring in awareness on the issues of disability and making this appliance available through his initiative and tirelessly efforts. I am aware that the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, has been lending every support in empowering the person with disabilities. There are many schemes and programs offered by this ministry which are directly aimed for their upliftment, rehabilitation and empowerment, so as to encourage them to lead a life of independence, hope and fulfillment. In Meghalaya, several schemes are being implemented for the person with disabilities through the Social Welfare Department and other allied departments such as scholarship, uniform grants, unemployment allowance, provision of aids and appliance, transport and escort allowance, the Chief Minister Social Assistance Pension schemes to the person with disabilities, the State Meritorious Scholarship and several others. UDID card disability certificate is a very important document, as a person can avail all benefits and entitlement. Hence, I would request all others to get the UDID card or renew the old disability certificate to UDID cards. Recently, the state government has established the Composite Regional Center CRC at Shillong in the month of July in association with the National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities, Chennai, and has allotted 50 acres of land for Center for Disability Sports at Umsauli, Shillong, and out of this, 10 acres has been allotted for CRC. To make our society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the Accessible India campaign, which was launched by the Prime Minister on the 3rd December 2015, is being implemented in our state, where buildings are being made accessible to persons with disabilities, and also on the job of making the government website accessible. I would request all the members here and the stakeholders concerned, including the government departments, non-government organizations working for the welfare of the person with disabilities, to continue to work together, especially during this time of global pandemic, when continuous support from every angle needs to be extended in coping with all convenience. With these few words, before I said, I would like to